The Vitality American Express credit card is the credit card that rewards you for being active. You can earn cashback on all your everyday spend, and the more active you are, the more cashback you can earn. So when you spend on the card for things like shopping, streaming, and bills, you'll earn up to 1% cashback from your American Express. And by tracking your steps to earn Vitality points, you can earn up to an extra 2% healthy cashback booster from Vitality when you have more than one qualifying plan. To start earning the Vitality Healthy Cashback Booster, once you've been approved for the card, just link a compatible activity device to our member app and get active to start earning Vitality points. Just bear in mind, the Healthy Cashback Booster you earn is based on the activity points you earned 2 months prior. You get your cashback as a cash credit, paid into your card account once a year, in the month after your card anniversary date. To track your Vitality Healthy Cashback Booster rate each month, visit MemberZone, or go to American Express to see your total cashback. Vitality. Sharing the benefits of healthy living.